Well, everyone, remember a few weeks ago when I said that one thing? VWs this year, let's see.
Any more VWs for Craig? Yes, definitely.
Wrong. Wrong.
Well, we're doing it.
Yep, we're gonna go pick up another vehicle. It was just calling me.
You have to answer.
You know, I didn't want to get another one, but I saw this and it saw me. Yep, this should be fun. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. All right, I got tools, bungees, tarps, everything to try to rip this thing out of the ground. Jacks, everything.
Everything you're gonna need. This is gonna be a rough one.
Ropes. So stay tuned on this rescue.
And you got your cash, so I guess this is official. Car's so cold. Just gave a notification. It's 39 degrees out. We're not well in Florida. Getting closer. We've been on the road for an hour and a half. Went to 2 counties over. We're almost there.
Getting close.
How buried is this thing gonna be in the woods?
Solid and tight.
Yeah. Yeah, because normally like in here you get like a lot of rust. It looks pretty solid. Like all in here. This is a common area. So like I said, he kept it stored pretty well.
Yeah.
There's probably some like a little registration there. Little tinted windshield there. Okay. Just make sure I'm gonna not miss anything here. It's common like back in here. Mine's the same way.
Sure.
You know. And then.
Yeah, the wheel throws it up and catches it, and then it's done.
Yep. So inner, looks like inner outer. Okay, and then that tube in the center, which if you wanted to replace it. And then here, I guess, so the back side. I wonder if I could beef that up. I could beef that up, but yeah, the interior looks all pretty complete. And okay.
Yeah, the dash is pretty decent condition.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like everything's here. Just that bracket's broken,
Yep.
which can be fixed. Just weld that back on. The exhaust can be replaced. That's nice. It's got that little bar there, little tow bar. And this thing, that thing, it can be lubed up there. Is that on the bumper? Oh, hold on, I don't want to pull the bumper. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I just want to bend the, there's a hook. All right, we're on the hook now.
You're on the. There you
Okay,
go.
you're good. I gotta hold tension on it. All right.
This has got to be the easiest rescue he's ever done. Half the work was done for him. Yeah, not bad. Easiest rescue he's ever done.
Thank God for winches. Yeah, exactly. That makes it a lot easier. Yeah.
Cool. I feel like we've seen this one before. Easiest rescue ever.
Wasn't that nice?
Everything was done for you.
Holy moly. Yeah. They already started pulling the bus out of the garage. So
it's been in a garage for...
it's been in a barn for I don't know how many years in Minnesota. And then it was in his garage for
the last few years.
3-4 years.
Yep.
In a big building.
So at least it was protected from the element those days. So, and that means no spiders. Freaking, you know, out here in the woods, you usually get a lot of spiders, like big spiders. They all wipe everything down. Either that or you wanted to put it on the side over there. Another one.
He said he was done with projects.
Had a sale like 20% off or something, so I forget how much I paid for those. It's a good quality one, but it's pretty warm. I closed the cage for it. What's that? What can I do? Oh, it's good. I just I don't think it's weird.
There you go, watch it. Be careful. One of those guys in there.
Yeah.
I'm sticking out.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. That'll be a good attraction.
Karen, Paul, thank you so much.
Appreciate
it.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You take care now.
Yeah.
And very nice meeting you, Karen. And
Okay, yeah, Ann said she wanted it, but
let's get the oil filter. I gotta take that out here, but it's got an inverter in here, a battery inverter. I don't know what he was running in
Looks
here.
like there's some mousage too.
I don't know. At least it was inside a.
Barn.
yeah.
Look at.
When you were a teenager that we looked at,
It's got all the camping interior.
It's a complete bus.
Yeah, you're all
complete.
set, ready to go, huh?
Going camping.
Wee. What are you gonna do to get a roof?
Yeah, that's what I almost got a free one, but it was for a later.
Oh my gosh.
One of the guys was going to give me a free one, but
Oh, that would have been nice.
yeah, but there's one in I don't know how much he wants for it. It's in,
Are you taking all this out right now?
I was just going to try. I want to try to open up that hatch because I want to get to.
Let
It's
that
in better condition than ours?
I don't think so. There's mouse nests in there.
Oh, lovely. You should be wearing a mask if you're taking all that out.
Yeah.
I was trying to find the title. Hoping to find that.
Is it in the
What?
closet?
Masks.
What do you think?
Get
Pretty nice, huh?
I mean, it's not the worst thing you brought.
The finest down here. We only save the finest ones.
You have the ambition, that's for darn sure. Wow.
Yep.
This is gonna be a lot of work.
Got the screens for the.
Jealousy?
Yeah.
Good thing those stayed in there.
I wonder why those are.
It looked like the poles are up here too for the cot.
Well, yeah, it's attached. It's all attached.
Oh,
You got,
they come out pretty far.
I got these kind of.
Got my 2 cents in.
You're already making money back.
Look at that.
Bus pays for itself.
I knew this was a good purchase.
Finding more goodies?
Oh, there's another pull button here. Something.
Wow.
I don't know how to read these. These work. Early on.
Aren't you lucky? You get to look at this until he's ready.
That's all right with me. I don't care. Whatever.
I have to.
You did it.
I just popped it up.
It was just
I gotta
stuck.
get some pliers and move that wheel because it won't spin.
These pliers.
what is this critter here? Huh?
Ew.
Get some pliers.
Oh, this one of your friends in here put.
A beetle. Wow, that's not rusted through.
I haven't seen that carpet since the 60s.
Yeah, I know. That's some cool carpet. Pretty neat.
Pliers, Ferguson?
Yeah, this thing's frozen. I gotta loosen that up.
What's in there?
Nothing. Well, the mosquito net was in there. I pulled that out.
Nothing else?
No, the bracket's missing here. Holds that in place.
You got
The
something
catcher's right here.
up top. I don't know if it's the bars
Yeah,
and stuff.
No, those are just sitting out there. That's where they would go. I have them, but it's just too frozen. It's not really.
Need a screwdriver.
No, just. Really needs more soaking, I guess, or something. On
gotta
all
keep
the
working it.
buses, this is the first thing that seems to go. I don't know why. All right, we're back in action. Looks like we'll be able to.
Wow.
Maybe. Push it. Oh, this way. That the way? Oh. Maybe you should wipe over the front side. That out of there. Yep. All kinds of goodies in there.
The moment of truth.
Oh, oops. Was that wool? Oh, let me get the key.
First you couldn't get it to open, now we can't get it to shut. Go figure. Yay.
Damn it. So, I guess that's one fix. But, yeah, then it needs.
Q-tips.
Yeah, see?
Who knows what else is in here?
I know. That's going to be ready to go. I don't know what these keys were for.
This doesn't have a full roof headache rack? Oh, nice. No, there isn't. It's just like a...
It's the VW, early VW stamp in there. Minimum 98, 91 octane. Oh, full synthetic. I mean, full premium, I'm sorry. Tire pressures.
The tire pressure in the gas tank.
Yeah, that's weird, huh?
Yeah.
Uh,
It folded.
all right, so got the bus parked. We're gonna do a walk around next time, clean it out. I'll take you guys on this venture, tell you a little bit more about it, what we're gonna do, and we'll go from there. But thank you for joining us. 69 Westy.
Got another one.
And that's going to do it on this rescue on the 69 Westfalia. That was the easiest rescue in the history of my rescues.
Well, I mean, you did say no more big projects. Yeah. After the square back, digging that out of the dirt.
That was
after the other one, digging it out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
You've had some pretty extensive rescues lately, and you said never again. So, I mean, yes, this is another project. Yes, it's another rescue, but it wasn't backbreaking.
Yeah, this was really, I had to just put the
You just had to show up.
Yeah.
You didn't have to do anything.
That worked out well. I had to steer a steering wheel and stuff, so. And then that was perfect. But, you know, go back out there. Hop on Marketplace. That's my problem. If you're on Marketplace and you see a Volkswagen and it needs rescuing, if you can do it, rescue it. Try to save it. If you can find one in the woods, just go ahead and rescue it. That's my goal. That's what happens. And I'm like, I'm not gonna do it anymore. But this one, I saw this one on Marketplace for at least a few months and didn't think anything of it. But then called my name. I don't know what happened. So
again, you didn't have to answer.
Yeah, and so you know, we're gonna get it going, running, and let someone else enjoy it. That's what I want to do. I just wanted to get it back. I didn't want to be a parts bus. I want it to be an adventure bus. So maybe you might be.
It's yours. It's calling you. You better pick up the phone.
I'm gonna get it running. I got new tires. I got ordered wheels for it. I got everything in the works here for it, and yeah. She's gonna do a little work.
That means more videos for you soon.
Yeah, we're gonna have more videos for you, but I gotta work on the 61. The 61's gonna happen first.
Yep.
So I'm gonna do some stuff to the 61, maybe dabble a little bit into the 69. as I'm doing it, but we'll see. But the 61 is definitely the go-to project. Anyway, thanks for joining. Have a great day. Save the Volkswagens, drive the Volkswagens, and we'll see you guys next time.